Hello, I'm LG Tech Support Specialist Jonathan Perry from Climate, New York. Today we're going to show you how to do an auto address and perform an auto pipe test to start up your system. Let's get started. Power up your outdoor unit, followed by all indoor units and HR boxes, if applicable. After approximately 10 minutes of starting up your system, you should be able to search for the indoor units and HR boxes on your system. With no units on the system calling, go to the outdoor unit and hold down the red button. If done correctly, the display should read 88. Once this is complete, the number of indoor units will flash on the display, followed by the number of heat recovery boxes. Central addresses can also be added to the indoor units to help identify if you're not picking up all of your indoor units. Generation 5 systems are factory set to heat recovery. To switch between heat pump and heat recovery, put up dip switch number 4 at the outdoor unit and cycle between heat pump and heat recovery depending on your application. Once you've decided, hold down the red button and your choice will flash. Hit the reset button or cycle power to finish selecting your system. Set up your rotary dial at the HR box, SW01C, and dip switches for your HR boxes. HR box rotary dial for the furthest pipe run stays at 0. As you get closer to the outdoor unit, the number goes up. HR box with the shortest pipe run will be addressed the highest number. Dip switch settings will tell the box how many ports are being utilized, as well as if there is more than one unit on a single port or one unit using several ports. This information can be found in the heat recovery manual. After the system is powered back up, HR boxes have been set and auto addressing has been complete, you can start the auto pipe test. With the ODU powered up for approximately 10 minutes, you go and put dip switch 5 up. Using the arrows, scroll over to IDU and select with the red button. Scroll over to ID5 and enter with the red button. Select ATC if the outdoor temperature is below 60 degrees, or ATH if the outdoor temperature is above 60 degrees. Go back to IDU and choose ID6 with the red button. If the test is ready to begin, it will display STA for start. Enter with the red button and the test will begin, displaying 88. Once the test is complete, the number of IDUs will flash. It is good to have your LG MV service tool hooked up while performing the auto pipe test so you can monitor it. Thank you for choosing Climate, New York. I'm LG Tech Support Specialist Jonathan Perry. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos.